Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm super excited today because I'm going to share with you my top accessories for the DJI Pocket 3. Alright, so the first one I have is this amazing hard case for the DJI Pocket 3. Now, it is so good. Now, it is a hard case, so it has a rubber outside, so the texture feels amazing. It also comes with a like handbag attachment, I guess you'd call it, a strap that you can put on, and then you're ready to rock and roll with your Pocket 3 hard case. But I don't need that, so I'm going to take that off. All right, so let's open it up and see what we get. Now, you get, to start with, you get this wonderful little zip compartment here, which you can store your cables and that in, and it's padded on the inside. So that's really good. You have this wonderful sort of velvet, soft velvet casing inside, which will protect your Pocket 3. As you can see, the Pocket 3 sits right there, and it's easy to get out and put back in. You have a space for your extended battery. You have space for your tripod attachment. You also have a space for your tripod legs as well, and a space for your mic. And that will fit with the wind muff on as well. And you also have two spaces for some filters. So if you're looking for a hard case for your DJI Pocket 3, well then this is an absolute must. The second one that I do recommend that everyone picks up is that you pick up yourself a screen protector for your Pocket 3. You need it with the Pocket 3. I'm going to actually put mine on here and now for you to show you how easy it is to put on. You simply just get your wipes out, get one of your screens out. As you can see, there's the screen right there. I don't know if you can see it. There's the screen right there. And then all you need to do is just get one of the wet wipes that comes in the pack. Open it up, give your screen a good clean to make sure it's free of dust or anything like that. Then once you've done that, you get your fiber cloth, give that a wipe, then you get your sticker, the big one here, just to tap off any more dust and that on there, or any hair. That looks mint. All right, so you can see on here it's got the back, so you remove the film for that, and then you simply just line it up. They say to put the stickers down and everything like that, but it's so easy. You just line it up and drop it into place. And there you go, it is on straight away. How easy is that? Give it a bit of a smooth out. Make sure you get the air bubbles out and everything like that. And then you have a glass screen protector on your Pocket 3, and you know that it's going to be protected from the fingerprints, from accidental drops and everything like that. So there you go. How easy was that to install? Super easy to put on. And now my screen is going to be protected. So the next and last must-have for DJI Pocket 3 is ND filters. Now, we have two different styles of ND filters. We're going to run through the first one just here. It's a pack of 4, and it is an ND filter and a polarized filter all at the same time. We have an ND8 polarized filter. We have an ND16 polarized filter, ND32PL, and an ND64. Now, these are super easy to attach, just like the rest of the filters for the Pocket 3. It is just a magnet that you clip on like that, and then they hold on. You can make your adjustments with your PL just by turning the filter here, so you can get those gains and that. But this is, having these filters on are going to be able to slow that shutter speed down in super bright environments, so you can get that buttery smooth motion that you see when you're filming normally. But the best part about this, if it is a super bright day, and I mean like a super bright day, and you just can't get your shutter speed down to 1/50, then you can stack these filters on top of each other, just like that. So now I've got the 16 and the 32 stacked on. And not just these ones, also the other ones, which are the normal ND filters. So these are the polarized ones. So the normal ND filters do the same. You can stack them on as well. So as you can see with this pack, you have the CPL filter, 4, 6, 8, 32, and a 64 ND filter for those ones. And once again, they just held on by magnets on your Pocket 3, and they work a treat, an absolute treat. Now, if we know with the wide angle lens for the Pocket 3 is that when it's on, it can't close. So when it's on, it cannot close whatsoever. With these ND filters, you can put it on and it's going to close all the way. So you can have it up, flick it on, and she'll turn on. And then when you close it, it's going to close the whole way and return back to normal. Now, with the wide angle filter, you cannot do that. So you can leave your ND filter on at all times. So that is another huge bonus with these filters. So if you're in... So they're my must-haves for the DJI Pocket 3. If you would like to pick up any of these accessories, there'll be links below where you can pick them up. They are my Amazon links and I do get a kickback from them, so thank you for that. Everything else that I use, I'll leave links below as well. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And until next time, guys, I'm Colin from OColin, out.